Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to open Crosshair X extension. All right. So first up, to open it up, make sure that you have it downloaded. So go to the left panel, go ahead over to display modes and just click on game bar mode like so. Now go ahead and follow simple prompts from here. Launch game bar. There you go. Tap away. And there will be a prompt right here to install the extension. Just follow it. Okay, it will open up your Microsoft Store, and once that's installed, go back. And as you can see here, we have this prompt, Crosshair X extension is running. Now you could go ahead and launch Crosshair X extension from here. All right. Now to automatically run this one whenever you go ahead and open up game bar, well, you can just go ahead and pin it. All right. And once that's done, you're good to go. I'm going to show my crosshair right here. Here I have my crosshair. And when I press Windows plus G, here I have the extension. Okay, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.